Hi everyone, meet Bob. He will be cooking his special honey olive oil cake recipe today. These are believed to be originated in Jewish, Arab, or Mozarabic regions. They are easy to make and perfect for a delicious dessert in any season. Let's get started. For ingredients that serve two, we need 2 egg yolks, 3 egg whites, 1/3 cup honey, or approximately 113 grams, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters lemon juice, 1 cup cake flour or 115 grams, 3/4 cup or approximately 177 milliliters virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of sugar, and 1 tablespoon salt. For the required equipment, we need an oven, a cake pan or pot that is oven safe, and lastly, a whisk. Follow our step-by-step easy guide. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Let's get started. The first step is to set the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 162 degrees Celsius approximately. Next, whisk together honey, egg yolk, and lemon juice for 5 minutes. Now, let's prepare the cake and meringue. Gradually add the cake flour until fully incorporated. Slowly add the olive oil. Keep it aside. Whip egg whites with salt and sugar until stiff peaks form. Now, let's fold the meringue into the batter and bake in a cake pan for about 25 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 162 degrees Celsius. Let the cake cool and top it with honey simple syrup. Simply mix equal parts of honey with water until dissolved. Thank you for joining me today. Serve your honey olive cake with ice cream, whipped cream, or fresh fruits optionally. Enjoy your meal. If you'd like to be featured, don't forget to email us your recipe. This video is presented by The Boomer M, a non-profit organization that aims to bridge the global digital divide.